Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to enable dark mode on Skype. So from here, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have your profile name in there. So just go ahead and click on your profile name and it's going to take you right into these settings. From this settings, I'm just quickly going to show you what next to do. Okay, so go ahead and click on settings, head over to the manage category, and you have the Skype profile, bookmarks, clips, gallery settings. So go ahead and click on settings, and it's going to take you right into the settings window. So now you have account and profile, general, privacy, appearance, you have audio and video, you have calling, messaging, notifications, contact, helping, feedback, and I'd like you to select appearance. Wow, nice team. Hi guys, this is my favorite color. It means you can change your favorite color. You can change your color to whatever you want to change here about. We want to enable dark mode. That's change the entire mode, not just the color. This is what you're going to do. So you have lights, you have dark, and you have view system settings. So I'm just going to click on dark. Now selecting dark, you can see everything has been changed to black, and I love it. I love black themes. So if you want to leave it at black theme, then come on, that's on you. That's on you. So here we have accessible modes, high contrast light and high contrast dark. You can set this to high contrast dark, or you can leave it at high contrast light, or just forget about it. Just unclick it. Please head over to mode and change to dark mode. Please let everything be dark. So high contrast dark is an entire mode entirely, and high contrast light is something else different. So just set it to dark. Mode category, set it to dark, and that's dark mode. So this was sidebar, and these are other things that you might like to try out, but just leave it at dark because that's the core of this tutorial. Now go the way back, and I can see this super sweet and super enjoyable using the dark mode. So that's pretty much how you can enable dark mode in Skype. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.